Hello students, Callie Daniels here. In this video we will investigate parallel lines. So let's start by looking at an interactive figure, which is what you'll be able to see on your screen. And we're going to focus on writing the equation of a line through the point -3, 2 that is parallel to the line y equal 4x minus 3. And if we show this second line, and we see it here in red, its equation is y equal 4x plus 14. The first thing you want to notice about parallel lines is that they do not intersect, and this suggests that their slopes are equal. If we change the slope of our original line, say we make that slope a little less steep, so that our blue line, our original line, is y equal 3x minus 3, then the line through -3, 2 parallel to it is y equal 3x plus 11. So just pay attention to those slopes, which are the same, no matter how we slant those lines. Even if we look at horizontal lines, which have a slope of 0, and we look at a line y equal -3, and its line parallel to that through -3, 2, then is y equal 2. Let's come back to that original problem where we wanted to look at the equation of a line through -3, 2 that is parallel to y equal 4x minus 3. So there's our visual perspective. Now let's do that on paper. So here we go, back to the same problem. We're going to write the equation of the line through -3, 2 that is parallel to y equal 4x minus 3. We know now that parallel lines have equal slopes, and so the slope of the line that we're going to write the equation for is 4. I'm going to use the point slope form for the equation of a line. Y minus y sub 1 is slope times x minus x sub 1. And just substitute values. We know that the slope is 4. And we're going to substitute the x value -3. So that's an x minus -3, or simply x plus 3. And we'll substitute a y value of 2. Here we've got the equation for our line, but I'm going to go ahead and solve for y and write this in slope-intercept form. Let's distribute the 4. And let's add 2 to each side. Our answer here is y equal 4x plus 14. And let's just note that this is the slope-intercept form. For the equation of our line. Good luck with those.